Yeah, so again, here at Foxy Custom Upholstery, working on the Ford Mustang 1965. Hydraulics, working on the hydraulics. Yeah, we do a little other work. It's basically a upholstery shop. And my uncle, he come from the old school cars, working on cars. So he a little dibble and dab. But we about to get this side off. We open this door back up. Yeah, work on this side. I hear it leaking over here. But this the Mustang right here. She clean, baby. It's clean.
To get to the hydraulic lines, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do the pump too. I'm gonna get a price on everything.
Okay, yeah.
The lines,
yeah,
the cylinders.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, look at the awards they got, brother. Make car shows.
Oh, okay.
This thing only got 13,000 original miles on it, and she bought it from the original owner. He kept it in the garage. He's got all kind of. She said she was just telling me a little while ago. He's got all kind of foreign cars.
It's leaking?
Oh, it's leaking.
Yeah, I know. I heard it squirting. Oh yeah, dang. Very wet down there.
Mm-hmm. One there. So the clip comes out. I gotta get it from the other one.
It like that tube. The tube is real wet. Oh yeah, cause look at the wall. Right there.
Yeah. The whole thing's wet. It's shooting all over the place.
Oh yeah, down in there.
Yep. Well, there's no need of playing with it.
No need of playing with this side either, right?
No, I'm gonna take it apart because we gotta change it.
Oh, you got to.
Oh yeah, you don't do one and not the other. If the one's gone, then the other one's probably on his way out too. Come out a little further. That should be enough.
Want the cup?
That should be good there. Actually.
You want the cup?
Huh? No, I'm gonna put the screws up front on the floor. Just gotta remember that screw there is colored the same color as the panel, so it's gotta go back there. Huh. It's busted off. The other side it wasn't. The other side wasn't. And that's loose.
Want your phone?
Yeah.